Welcome to our YouTube channel. Well, hindi ako professional like others na hindi ako professional vloggers like others YouTubers. Ginawa ko lang to for i-share ko yung mga best things about me. Best thing about me, and gusto ko rin yung mga natutunan ko ay matutunan nyo rin. So, let's start! So, hey! Ang una nating pag-uusapan ay magtuturo ako tungkol sa pag-sign language. And of course, ito yung pinaka-common, like, I love you. Then, actually,
A few moments later.
Diba? Yung I love you is pinaka-common siya pag mag-sign language. Sign language. Yan ay pinaka-common, kaya isa-sign language na rin yan. Basic lang, kanto lang. I love you. Pag I love you. I love you. I love you. Diba, basic? I love you. The next, what is your name? What is your name? Your name is what pala? Your name is what? 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 Then, actually, pag may tanong, may response. Yep. My name is Crystal. My name is Crystal. My name is Crystal. Diba? And nice to meet you. Next naman ay nice to meet you. Pag nice to meet you naman ay nice. Yung kabilang kamay mo ay nice to meet you. Like, nice to ikaw to, admit, ako naman to, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Lang, nice to meet you. Next naman ay, diba, a simple response for I missed you is good. Good. Good or fine. Fine. Good or fine. Next, it is what's up. What's up? Hey, what's up? Ano ba, what's up? So, what's up naman, ito rin yung pinaka-common sa iba kasi maganda. Maganda. What's up? What's up? What's up? Yung simple lang kasi no. Ito lang. Yan. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Eh, what's up? Pero siya pang intro pag nagtuturo ka din ito. Sabihin mo, what's up? What's up? Then the next one is, are you that of hearing? Marami din nagtatanong yan. Are you that of hearing? Are you deaf or hearing? You? Sige. Are you? Siyempre, you always dapat tinuturo ka para pag nagtatanong ka, dapat din yung basta yun na yun. Then, are you deaf or hearing? Hearing? Are you deaf? 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 Dito, tsaka dito. Are you deaf of hearing? Hearing. Are you deaf of hearing? You? Are you deaf or hearing? You? 10. Okay. Then yun lang yun. I hope meron kayong natutunan kahit simple lang or maliit lang. I hope talaga na meron kayong natutunan. Bye!